So after launching the Rugking 2 Pro, Ulefone has announced the Rugking 3 Pro and the 4 Pro. Of course, we'll talk about the 4 Pro in this video because it is the best among the Rugking series currently, and maybe in a separate video I will compare the 3 Pro with the 4 Pro. I don't know. Anyway, the 4 Pro is also very affordable, so if you're looking for a rugged smartphone that combines brute strength with surprisingly solid everyday performance and is very affordable, the Rugking 4 Pro is definitely one to keep an eye on. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's explore its top features. So the device runs on the Android 15 and is powered by the Unisoc T7250 octa-core chipset. We all know it's not flagship level, but it is more than enough for daily tasks, multitasking and moderate gaming. Complementing that is 16GB of RAM split between 8GB of base RAM and an extra 8GB of dynamic memory that you can activate in the settings whenever you need the boost. Storage is a generous 256GB UFS 2.2, and if that's not enough, you can throw in a TF card up to a massive 2TB. On the front, the Rugking 4 Pro features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of peak brightness. Now for cameras, Ulefone gives you a simple but functional setup. A 48MP main camera paired with a 2MP macro lens. The main sensor is capable of solid shots with a wide f1.79 aperture, and the camera app includes everything from night mode to 48MP mode. Video recording tops out at about 1080p for the main rear camera and the selfie. And speaking of selfie, the phone has an 8MP selfie shooter. Now one of the biggest highlights is the battery. You get a massive 10,200 mAh battery, which easily provides multi-day endurance. Charging is 18 watts, and while that's not fast enough, the battery size makes up for it. You also get 6 watts reverse wire charging and 10 watts dock charging. Now other features includes IP68 and IP69K ratings, and also military grade standard 810H certification, which means just like other rugged phones, the device is waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and can withstand the elements. The device supports Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock, FM radio, OTG, GPS and other essential navigation systems. You also get glove mode and underwater camera feature. So these are the top features of the Rugking 4 Pro, and to be honest, for the price, which is $200, these specs are worth it. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.